This time of the year, Cleo, that's really the only way we can get our rain at this point. Whenever we have this high pressure that's so steady, we generally look to the tropics to get some moisture. That's not the case this time. However, there is something that's it's going to bring in rain, but it stays well to the south of us.
Okay.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Not close to us.
Not close to us. We're not going to be impacted by it. And I'll show you that. And the thing that's really going to continue for us, our 41st triple-digit heat day expected today. That's why we do have excessive heat warnings that continue for North Texas. This is for temperatures up to 111. And we could see this excessive heat warning extended an additional day. This is dangerous heat. Like I mentioned earlier, a big portion of Texas included in some type of a heat alert, and that continues all the way to the north across the Central Plains and even portions of the Midwest. Temperature today, 106 degrees. That'll be the high. 107 in Fort Worth, 106 in Denton, and 104 in McKinney, about 105 in Decatur. Right now, Denton already 94 degrees under a blue sky. If you see some haze on the horizon, we still have some wildfire smoke from the Pacific Northwest. It's making it into the area. It causes this haze. That is also why our air quality is slightly lower on top of that pollution that I was talking about at the top of the hour. Red flag warnings continue for high fire danger. This is because of those hot conditions, the ongoing drought, and just the plain fact, we haven't seen rain in over a month across North Texas. Any fires that start under these circumstances will spread quickly. Most of North Texas has some type of burn ban in place. Just respect those, please. Don't be that person. Okay, so triple digits, they're expected the rest of the week. But not only that, record high temperatures will be possible. Today, a high of 106 will break the previous record of 105. I am expecting more record high temperatures to come back Thursday and Friday. Normal this time of the year is about 95 to 94 degrees, so we are trending well above that. But I did mention the tropics. This time of the year, that's basically the only way that Texas can get rain. And right now, we have potential tropical cyclone 9. This could very well transform into Tropical Storm Harold by the time Tuesday morning rolls around, set to make landfall between Corpus Christi and Brownsville. Now, this is going to bring in rain, but it stays really far towards the south. It is also going to decay very quick. So I'm going to show you here. This is just one of the models. This is throughout the night. You see how this approaches? Maybe Port Lavaca could get in on some of this rain along that southeast Texas coast, but I am expecting a bulk of this to stay south of Corpus Christi. This will continue to trend towards Laredo and eventually into Mexico. Now, high pressure is what's dominating North Texas. That's the reason why this is going to get pushed to the south, and it's what's going to really limit any of this coming up north to us. The rain is going to stay south, and again, there is a really high chance of this to become a named storm. There are expecting coastal flooding. Tropical storm watches are already in place for South Texas. So if you have friends and family in that area, just make sure to give them that heads up. Make sure they're paying attention to the forecast here in the next 24 hours. 1 to 3+ inches of rain could be possible here for South Texas, but look at how quickly this tapers off. Even areas of San Antonio, maybe half an inch. Anything north of that is really going to be slim. We're watching several other systems though. Franklin, Gert, and the remnants of Emily continue, and another tropical wave at 70% chance of development. All of these mainly staying off of any land with the exception of Franklin. It could impact Haiti and the Dominican Republic here in the next 24 hours. Meanwhile, the remnants of Hillary continue to bring in just a little bit additional rainfall for California, but California, especially LA, actually expecting sunshine this afternoon. Okay, so we stay hot and dry. I mean, we continue with the hot conditions, morning lows in the 80s. We could see a little rain Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, but for the most part, we're looking dry in the triple digits that are set to continue. Top 10, by the way, Cleo, officially for number of triple-digit heat days. 2023 is making it on the charts.
Wonderful.
Yeah, it's something I didn't want to say, but you know, we got to know that
Had to say
info.
it, right? All right, thanks, Marielle.